Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Hope that you all are doing great. I'm Muhammad Zahrasan and welcome to JayedFx Copy Trading. So actually I created this channel with one simple goal to show how to consistency, discipline and proper risk management can turn even a small trading account into something like big over time. So most people think trading means risk, losses or gambling, something like that, but that's not true and I want to prove it. So if you trade with patience, if you trade with follow the rules and risk and manage your risks wisely, inshallah you can actually grow your account safely step by step. On this channel I'll share my real copy trading performance, no fake results, no hidden trades. You'll see every trade I take, why I take it and what kind of logic or market structure I follow behind it. So my main goal is not just teach you how to trade, it's help you to see how real trading actually works, so you can build confidence and trade safely for yourself. You can track my all verified results on my FX book account, and if you want to copy my trade directly, so you can join through the copy trade link which is given in the description. In description you will find my Telegram link, you will find my personal DM link and also my channel link and my FX book results and also my copy trading account link. So you can check my description right now. The best part is I don't hide anything. I share both profits and losses, because real trading is not about only winning, it's about learning every single day. So if you really want to experience real trading and grow together with me, make sure to subscribe to this channel and join our Telegram channel for daily updates and live signal analysis, inshallah. Stay consistent, stay safe, and let's grow together with JayedFx Copy Trading. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Till then, take care and don't forget to check description. Thank you.